Look at that. It's beautiful. Bon appetit. Okay, for my new cooks, a quick way to how to make couscous. It's a great alternative to rice or potatoes. It's delicious, wonderful. Watch this video, it's amazing. And this is the results. A beautiful couscous, and we'll add so much flavor. We did it in chicken stock. You could do vegetable stock if you're vegetarian. Amazing. Anyways, check out this video. You'll love it. So, I have my homemade chicken stock here. And doing couscous is really easy. The portions is slightly more water than the couscous. So, if you're doing 1 cup of couscous normally, you do like 1 cup and 1/8 of water. Now you can do water, you can do a broth, you can do, like a chicken stock broth, you can do vegetable stock broth, whatever fancies you. I'm doing a nice chicken broth, and I'm just going to drop that in. Oh, we got plenty of. I need to spin that. Get that loose. Sometimes things don't go right. There we go. Okay. Then you're going to bring your heat on. And we're just going to bring this to a boil. We're going to drop our couscous. So a cup of couscous with 1 1/8 cup of liquid of water, chicken stock, vegetable stock, whatever fancies you. And I'm going to add, so my stock, I make it homemade, so there's no salt in it. So I'm going to drop a little pinch of salt. And I love sea salt, by the way. We have so much sodium in our diets. Try using sea salt as a substitute. I'm going to drop a little coarse black pepper in there. And now I just got to wait, bring that to a boil. All right, we're back. And it's boiling. I'm going to uncover it, lower the heat all the way down. I'm going to add my couscous. By the way, if you've never had couscous, try it. It's very healthy, and it complements so many things. I'm going to give it a nice little stir once. And now, look how easy. I'm going to cover it. 10 minutes later, done. Okay, we're back. It's been a good 10 minutes on our couscous. And this is what you're looking for. Nice burning. And now what we're going to do is take a fork. And we're just going to fluff it up. Careful, Steve, don't make a mess. There we go. And then I'm going to drop some parsley. You don't have to do this, but parsley adds a wonderful flavor to couscous, which is going to work wonderfully with the lamb. All right. That's it. That's easy, right? Okay, we're going to put that to the side. I'm going to cover it, take it off the heat. And now we just got to wait for the salmon. But that's how you do couscous. You can do it with chicken, you can do it with fish, you can do it with lamb, you can endless possibilities. If you never tried couscous, try it. It's really flavorful. It's a great alternative to rice, and it's healthy as well. So we'll be back. Okay, the couscous is ready. And this is so easy to make. And look, I fluffed it up. And now we're just gonna drop some couscous onto your plate. And you can serve this with fish, with chicken, with beef. Lamb is delicious as well. And that's how simple it is. Couscous is a great dish. Try it besides rice or potatoes. Try it. It's amazing. Bonsoir et bon appétit.